With the rise of crypto, have you ever wondered how to trade crypto in Germany? Well, worry not, as in this video, I will share exactly what is needed to buy crypto in Germany, the best places to buy crypto, and watch this video till the end, as I will also share the step-by-step process to buy and possibly trade crypto in Germany. Hey friends, if you're new here, my name is Ahsan. I'm a researcher, and on this channel we discuss business and personal finance in Germany. The first question most people have when it comes to crypto in Germany is, are you allowed to buy crypto in Germany, and is it legal? The answer to that is yes, you are allowed to buy crypto and it is totally legal in Germany. However, there are certain things you need to consider, which I will be discussing throughout the video in order to keep your crypto legal in Germany. What is needed to buy crypto in Germany? Let me make things clear. It does not matter which visa status you have, be it student visa, spouse visa, PR or blue card. As long as you are using your own money, you do not need to inform any authorities to buy and trade crypto in Germany. There are, however, some cases where you need to register yourself as a crypto trader. So to buy crypto in Germany, you essentially need three things: a place to buy crypto from, an ID document to create an account, and a way to transfer cash to buy crypto. The best place to buy crypto in Germany. You have three types of places where you can buy crypto in Germany. The first option is through decentralized crypto exchanges, also known as DEX. These are marketplaces where transactions occur directly between crypto traders, meaning that you are buying and selling crypto directly to and from other people, and there is no centralized authority like a bank, broker or a payment processor involved. The most popular DEX are Uniswap and SushiSwap. I'll put links to these two and many others in the description below. I'll also put any special codes that I have so that you can get a bonus or discounts when you sign up using my links. An important thing about decentralized exchanges is that they don't allow exchanges between fiat and crypto. Fiat, if you do not know, is the currency that we use outside the crypto world, like the euro or the USD. So in order to use decentralized exchanges, you would first need to buy crypto from a centralized exchange. Centralized cryptocurrency exchanges are online platforms used to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. These are the most common means investors use to buy and sell crypto. The main difference between decentralized and centralized crypto exchanges is that centralized exchanges are an intermediary or a third party to help conduct transactions. Both buyers and sellers trust this party to handle their assets. Now, I won't say this is exactly like a bank, as there are many regulations keeping customer funds secure and various kinds of insurances available, but a centralized exchange offers security and monitoring that you as an individual cannot accomplish on your own, at least as a beginner. Three of the most popular crypto exchanges where you can buy crypto in Germany are Binance, Coinbase and Kraken. Links and special codes in the description below. All three of these crypto exchanges need you to create and verify your account to buy crypto. So you would need a valid ID document and a way to verify your address before you can buy crypto with these exchanges. Please hit the like button if you're getting value from this video, and consider subscribing for more. The third place where you can buy crypto in Germany is through trading platforms. These trading platforms aren't your typical crypto exchange. As with centralized and decentralized crypto exchanges, you can move your crypto to a software or a hardware wallet that only you have access to. However, most of these trading platforms do not give you access to transfer your crypto. But many people prefer to use these platforms to buy crypto, as they already offer other options like stocks, ETFs and derivatives. Some of these trading platforms like Trade Republic offer crypto that is held by a third party, and users can trade crypto along with stocks and ETFs. Scalable Capital, on the other hand, offers crypto in the form of ETPs or exchange traded products, meaning that they offer crypto in a way that is traded on a regular stock exchange. These do have more fees, but you do not have to worry about taxes, as I will share later on in the video. Alright, let me share how to trade crypto in Germany using various platforms. Let's begin with Binance. Use my link to go to Binance and sign up using your phone number or email. Then you would have to verify your account. If you want to know how to register and verify your account, you can watch this video. Here is how the Binance app looks like once you have verified your account. If you select the button on the top left corner, you can select Binance Pro, where you have many advanced options, but for this video, I will be using Binance Lite. To add funds to your Binance account, simply select the yellow button in the middle and select deposit. Here you can deposit euros from your bank. In the search option, search for euro. Here you have an option of bank transfer, open banking and bank card. These options have different fee structure and amount of time the funds reach your Binance account. Select whichever option you like and follow the steps to add funds to your Binance account. Once your fiat currency arrives in your Binance account, you can now buy and sell crypto like Bitcoin and Ethereum. To buy crypto on Binance, again select the yellow button in the middle and select buy. Here you can choose from a huge list of options. I will select Bitcoin. Here you can buy crypto by quantity or by amount of crypto. As you have just added euro, you can select by quantity, put the amount of euros you want to pay and then tap buy. And that's it. You can view your crypto in your portfolio section. To sell crypto, simply select it in your portfolio and tap on sell. Here, again, you can sell by amount or quantity. Select the option you want and tap select to sell that crypto. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to make a detailed video on Binance and Binance Pro. Next, we have Coinbase. Similar to Binance, first you would need to create and verify your Coinbase account. I have a detailed video on how to do that here. This is how the Coinbase app looks like. Now, to add funds to your account, you can tap on deposit. Here you have two options to add funds to your Coinbase account. I mostly use the support option to add funds to my Coinbase account as it is quite fast, but you can use either of the options. Once your fiat arrives in your Coinbase account, now you can buy and trade crypto in Germany using Coinbase. Compared to Binance, Coinbase has a lesser number of crypto coins and tokens you can buy. However, they have all of the most popular coins that you might want to trade. Simply go to the buy section and select the asset you want to buy. Add the amount in euros and select review order. Check if the details are correct and then place your order to buy the crypto. You can also sell crypto in Coinbase by going to my assets, then select the crypto you want to sell. Tap the sell button, add the amount of euro or crypto amount that you want to sell, then review the order. And if you are satisfied with the details, you can tap the place order button to sell the crypto. You can also convert from one crypto to another using the convert option. And if you're someone who wants a bit more safety and security, then Scalable Capital is probably the best option for you. As Scalable Capital offers ETPs, you can trade crypto as easily as shares because ETPs trading takes place on regulated exchanges such as GetX or Zetra, and your coins are physically deposited with a regulated crypto custodian. Signing up with Scalable Capital is also totally free, and I'll also link any special offers from Scalable Capital in the description below. Now keep in mind that Scalable Capital isn't a crypto exchange, so there aren't many options compared to Coinbase and Binance. And as of now, you can only buy 13 crypto coins and tokens in Scalable Capital. Even though there are limited capabilities with this platform, the best thing is that all of your taxes are automatically handled, so no need to get expensive software to track your crypto trades. I have a detailed video on Scalable Capital here if you are interested in the step-by-step process of buying crypto with Scalable Capital. Alright, now that you know which platform you can use to trade crypto, the next logical question would be, which crypto should you buy? You will find many answers to this question. Some say that you should only buy Bitcoin, some add Ethereum in addition to Bitcoin, and some say that you should only trade altcoins as they have a really high potential of going 10 to 100x in a bull market. I have tried most things, but honestly speaking, crypto trading is a huge gamble. You will encounter a large number of pump and dump schemes and rug pulls. So in my opinion, you should start small and trade with an amount which won't hurt you even if the whole trade goes to zero. Trust me, people only share their wins and no one shares their losses. And if you are one of the lucky ones who has made good trades, you should remember that you have to pay the tax man. In Germany, you can have a tax-free profit of 600 euros per year. If your profit increases by even a single cent, then you have to pay taxes on the whole amount. And the tax rate on crypto in Germany is based on your tax class, so it can go up to 46%. And if you are one of those people who says, Ahsan, all of my trades are done using an account that I made in another country and I do not send any of my money in my German account, then why should I pay any taxes? To that, I would answer yes. You might think that you can get away with not paying your taxes right now, but crypto regulations are getting stricter with time. And what most people do not know is that the finance office in Germany has a right to audit you for the past 10 years. So even if the tax office doesn't have the technology to track your trades right now, how sure are you that they won't be able to track them in the next 10 years? That said, there is a legal way in which you can keep all of your crypto profits and pay 0% tax on it, which I discuss in this video. So thanks for watching, bleibt gesund, and I'll see you in this video.